Okay folks, this is another video for you guys. I used to say this is a small video, but this one, or short, this one is a big one. I wanted to buy a car, so I came here to the bus transit, Capital Metro, and so I backed up here in the parking spot with my Fiat 500. It's 2013, and put it in parked. So when I was done looking at the car I wanted to buy, so I came in my vehicle, and wow, it would not go. It got stuck. It's stuck on park. It wouldn't go into reverse, neutral, nor drive. So it got stuck here. But the it's there I already removed the battery because I was trying to figure out what was wrong with it. It says neutral. It stays on neutral, but it just won't leave neutral on gear. So what I did, see on the right on the side here, see the side panel, you can just go ahead and remove. There's a little cap here, and then you put a screwdriver, you push it, and when you push and it will be able to move this gear. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here you can just go ahead and stick you got a flat screwdriver, and then you should be able to move this here. See, I move it. You see, now I can push it up again. See? Okay. Because I would need somebody to hold this for me while I'm moving this around the gear shift. But the issue is, it still remains. You see here, I'm able. But if I go ahead and put it on drive, see here, I just leave it down here. If I put it on, park, it will get stuck. But in the system, it's stuck on neutral. See, now I cannot do that. So here's what I did. Okay, so I suspected that it could be the gear lever shift, the long cable that broke, and that's where the battery is. And I disconnected the battery. And I don't have tools, but I just happen to have this with me and a pair of screwdrivers. So I was able to remove the battery. And so down here, and when I do better video, and I will show you, and I see there's a loose cable down here. It looks like it's the shifter cable that came loose. So tomorrow I will come back here, and I will have to take the day off and take this off and then see what I need to do. This is the next day. I returned, so this is what I'm going to do right now. I will have to take the battery tray off. So you see the bolt, see a bit, 1, 2, and there's one inside, and this one here, a very long one, and then we have this here. But let me see what I can do first. And then on the side, you can see the cables are attached to the wires attached to the tray. You just have to cut them off. Okay, so this is it. So this is how you take the cable. That's the computer, the car computer, and this is how you take the cable off. First, you pull this out, okay, and then you see here, and you pull that, and then you see, and then you just push this one, retract it back. That's how it's locked. So to lock it, you do the reverse, go like this, and then you just pull it up. See, and then now it's all come loose. But again, there's a little wires and or fasteners that hold the tray. So you have no choice than to just cut them, and then later you just use a zip tie to tie them back. Okay, for example, look at here. You see here, there's that the fastener. So you can cut it if you can. Like me right now, I don't know how to get that thing out, but I'm just going to cut it off and use a zip tie. Okay, so this is the issue, folks. You see that cable here? Okay, and you see that's the end. You see the bushing. See here, the bushing. That's the gear cable. The bushing came off or broke off because it's all freaking plastic. It's plastic, and this is where it hooked. And let's see if you can see here. See, there we go. You see this here? You see, this is where you see this hole here. It sits in here. So what happens over time when you keep on shifting? So the plastic got brittle in there. The bushing got brittle and it just broke off. Okay, so it's a bad design. It's supposed to have a cap or a pin to hold it to prevent it from coming off. I have a Mitsubishi GT. That's a 1993. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a Japanese-made car. So basically now what I'm going to do, I will take a picture of this thing and then go to the dealership on auto parts and see if I can find a bushing for it. Okay folks, you see the difference? That's the gear lever, that's the cable on my 1993 Mitsubishi GT. That's the original. This car is 36 years old, 26 years old, and everything is original. So there is a capper pin, and in the bushing everything is strong. But the other one, the Fiat one, they build it like it's a kid's car, okay, a play car or something. All right, so what I did, I went to the Chrysler dealership, and they don't carry this. They carry the old cable, and they wanted $150 plus tax. So then what I did, I went to the Fiat dealership, and they do carry this. It was $15 plus tax. So I'm going to replace this, and yeah, $15 plus tax versus the entire cable. So this is a lot better. Okay, so it's a lot easy to replace. The only problem is just to get to it. All right, let's do it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to remove this and then also clean up the tip, the head here. Remove the leftover, and so just go ahead and put this in. It's really easy. I put the part, and it is working. So let me see what is it here. And I'm putting this. That's the computer. That's the brain of the Fiat. You gotta put this back and make sure it's in the. It goes all the way down. So it should go down by itself. Don't press it. Don't force it. Okay, see? There we go. And then push this. That's the lock. It's a little bit hard, but what I did, I just pushed this thing itself because it's a little bit hard to do this one. And yeah, so you see, it's done. So now I just have to put the battery and connect it, and then we'll see what we got. All right, so you saw I put the part in. See, let's see. See, now it's on reverse. See, reverse, neutral, drive. Okay, see, good. So it's good. Go to all the gears, all the gears. It's good. Thank you. All right, thanks for watching. You see, it's done. $15. But again, I had to go through Lots of trouble. That's what the dealership they charge people for. It's the inconvenience. All right, so it works. It's the shifter, the cable, the end of it, the adjuster. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Look at that. It works now. Thank you.